Antitrust competition law firms versus economic consulting practices. Which one is better for merger clearance and defense? Most people get this wrong. They think that filing merger notifications is purely a legal formality. The surprising truth is that complex merger reviews often hinge on economic evidence, not just legal argument. Antitrust and competition law firms specialize in advising clients on regulatory compliance, preparing filings and representing them in negotiations or litigation before competition authorities. For example, a law firm handling a large tech acquisition will draft notifications, interpret jurisdictional rules, and communicate with regulators to minimize legal risks. They are skilled at framing a transaction in a way that highlights compliance with competition laws and avoids fines or delays. Economic consulting practices, on the other hand, provide quantitative analysis to support merger approval. They evaluate market impacts, simulate pricing scenarios, and produce economic reports demonstrating that the merger will not harm competition. For instance, if two pharmaceutical companies plan to merge, economic consultants might model market concentration, project consumer impact, and provide evidence that the deal will not create monopolistic conditions. The key difference is legal strategy versus economic evidence. Law firms navigate the regulatory process and argue compliance, while economic consultants provide the hard data that regulators often rely on when assessing competition risks. Most successful merger strategies combine both. Economic analysis supports legal arguments, increasing the likelihood of smooth clearance and defending against challenges. The takeaway is simple: ignoring economic evidence can jeopardize a merger, while neglecting legal guidance risks non-compliance. The surprising truth is that regulators increasingly rely on quantitative modeling, making economic expertise as critical as legal expertise. For any company planning a merger, combining antitrust legal advice with robust economic consulting ensures both regulatory compliance and a compelling, evidence-backed case for approval. It's the dual approach that protects deals and avoids costly delays.